Welcome to RenEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. As we continue our exploration into the intersection of machine learning and hydrogen fuel cell technology, we delve into the nitty-gritty of their confluence, including applications, benefits, and challenges. This is the second installment of our series, and we aim to provide a comprehensive analysis to conclude our discussions on this exciting and revolutionary topic. Machine learning has emerged as a transformative force, possessing the capability to revolutionize a wide range of industries, including the hydrogen fuel cell sector. By tapping into the potential of machine learning, we can significantly improve fuel cell operations, optimize hydrogen production processes, and develop efficient hydrogen infrastructure. In the domain of fuel cell operations, machine learning's potential shines through the lens of predictive maintenance. With traditional methods, the maintenance of fuel cells followed a predetermined schedule. However, machine learning offers a paradigm shift, introducing predictive maintenance that can anticipate potential failures before they occur. It does this by continually monitoring the operating conditions and performance of the fuel cell and identifying patterns that hint at an impending failure. This proactive approach minimizes downtime, extends the fuel cell's lifespan, and reduces maintenance costs. Additionally, machine learning provides robust fault detection and diagnosis capabilities. Specific algorithms can be trained to recognize the signs of certain faults, such as membrane failure or catalyst degradation. This results in the early detection of faults, allowing for swift repairs and averting further damage. The advanced diagnostic capabilities of machine learning can also determine the cause of a fault, drastically cutting down the time and cost of repairs. On top of these, machine learning can significantly enhance real-time optimization and control of fuel cell operations. It allows for adjusting the operating conditions of the fuel cell to maximize efficiency and adapt the fuel cell's operation to changing demand or conditions. All these are accomplished in real time, resulting in more responsive and efficient operations. Numerous studies underline the potential of machine learning in enhancing fuel cell operations. For instance, research published in the Journal of Power Sources highlighted the use of machine learning, specifically a support vector machine, for fault diagnosis in proton exchange membrane fuel cells, PEMCs. Another study in the International Journal of Hydrogen Energy demonstrated the application of a form of machine learning, reinforcement learning, for real-time control of fuel cell systems. These studies showcase the significant potential of machine learning in improving fuel cell operations, making them more efficient, reliable, and cost-effective. Turning our attention to hydrogen production and infrastructure, machine learning can play a crucial role in optimizing complex processes such as electrolysis and steam methane reforming. These processes, inherently intricate and nonlinear, can be tough to optimize using traditional techniques. However, machine learning algorithms can handle this complexity and identify optimal operating conditions to maximize the efficiency and yield of hydrogen production. Predictive modeling of hydrogen demand and supply is another promising application of machine learning. Accurate demand forecasting can ensure sufficient hydrogen production while minimizing costs and environmental impacts. Similarly, forecasting hydrogen supply can facilitate efficient planning and operation of hydrogen infrastructure, including storage and distribution networks. The planning and design of hydrogen infrastructure can also significantly benefit from machine learning. It can optimize the design of hydrogen storage and distribution networks and plan the location and capacity of hydrogen refueling stations. By considering various factors such as demand forecasts, geographical constraints, and cost elements, machine learning can determine an optimal design. Despite the tremendous potential and benefits of machine learning, applying it to hydrogen fuel cell technology is not without challenges. Data quality and availability, interpretability and transparency of machine learning models, and the intricacies involved in model validation and uncertainty quantification pose significant hurdles. The field of machine learning is evolving at a rapid pace, and we anticipate the development of more advanced techniques that can address these challenges and further enhance the design and operation of hydrogen fuel cells and associated infrastructure. Combining machine learning with other digital technologies such as digital twin technology and Internet of Things, IoT, could allow for more accurate simulations, optimized operations, and granular monitoring of fuel cell systems, thereby unlocking new capabilities and efficiencies. Furthermore, as the use of machine learning expands, we must address larger societal and ethical concerns, such as data privacy, algorithmic fairness, and the impact on employment and skills. It's crucial that the benefits of machine learning are realized in a responsible and inclusive manner, ensuring that technological advancements contribute positively to society at large. In the realm of hydrogen production, For example, machine learning has been used to optimize the operation of a hydrogen production plant, as outlined in a study published in the International Journal of Hydrogen Energy. The researchers utilized a neural network to model the plant's operations and then applied an optimization algorithm to determine the optimal operating conditions. Similarly, a study published in the Journal of Cleaner Production used machine learning to predict the demand for hydrogen in a specific region. The researchers developed a regression tree model, which accounted for various factors such as economic activity, population, and energy prices, to forecast hydrogen demand. These studies underscore the potential for machine learning to revolutionize hydrogen production and infrastructure, increasing efficiency and reliability, reducing costs, and paving the way towards a more sustainable energy future. Looking ahead, we foresee the development of more advanced machine learning techniques capable of dealing with limited or noisy data, improving model interpretation, quantifying uncertainty, and managing the complexity and dynamism of real-world energy systems. We also anticipate an increased integration of machine learning with other digital technologies, such as digital twins and IoT. Such integrations could allow for more detailed simulations and more granular monitoring and control of fuel cell operations, thus unlocking new capabilities and efficiencies. In conclusion, the application of machine learning in hydrogen fuel cell technology opens up an exciting array of opportunities, promising to significantly enhance the efficiency, reliability, and sustainability of our energy systems. As we venture forward in this technological revolution, we must also carefully consider the broader societal and ethical implications to ensure that these advancements are inclusive and beneficial for all. Stay tuned for more insightful content as we continue to explore the transformative potential of machine learning in the context of hydrogen fuel cell technology and beyond. Your journey with us into this remarkable fusion of technology and energy systems is greatly appreciated, and we hope to continue providing valuable insights and information in our future series. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.